Hello, this is the generally approachable Sudoku for the 5th, I think, 5th of February 2024. I'm losing track of time here. It is 159 by Clover, featuring a pretty interesting rule set regarding these columns here. Oh, I like that well, I don't know if this is intended, but I think the pattern of these digits here looks like DNA. I don't know if that's what it's meant to be, but alright. Normal Sudoku rules apply. So the digits 1 to 9 every row, every column, and every 3x3 box. The digits in the first column tell you where the 1 appears in that row. Right, so that's where the new rule comes in. Whatever digit is here tells you the position of the 1 in that row. So say this was a 5. Then what that means is that the 5 tells you that the 1 is in the 5th cell of this row, which would be here. Because this is the 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th cell in the row. And if like this was a 9, for example, then that would be a 1, because this indicates that the 1 is in the 9th cell of the row. The same works for this column with the digit 5 and for this column with the digit 9. Alright, yeah, so that's just the entire rules. A little bit more confusing, but I think we can get through it. With that, let us begin solving. So we can definitely start off with all the 1s, 9s, and 5s there, because that gives us 3 digits, right? This 1 indicates that this must be 3, because this tells you where the 1 is, so we're starting off very cool with 3 in the corner. This must be 4, this must be a 7. Yeah, those are all digits. For 5, this is a 6, this is a 4, and that's it. For 9, this is a 3, sorry, because it's in the 3rd cell. This is in the 6th cell, and this is in the 7th. And I think that's it for all our 3 digits. And I think it's actually quite a cool constraint, because it works out. It works out very well for some reason. If 5 was in itself, right, it would be 5, which would, point at itself, and that works out. And same for 1 and 9 in columns 1 and 9. Oh my god, alright. Turning off the music. Let's just solve Sudoku. My god. Here we have a 1 2 7 triple. 2 can't be in that cell. Actually 7 means that cell is 1. And there you go. This 1 means that this cell must now be a 6. This can't be, this is 2, that is 7. And actually these digits give us the positions of the 5. So 5 must be here in this row and here in this row, which is really cool. You get multiple digits coming out of this singular deduction. What's next? Those digits maybe? Those digits. Those are 4 and 7. 4, 7 pair. Those digits we have 3, 4, and 9. This can be 4, so 4 goes there. This is a 3, 9 pair, which gives us those digits being 1 and 8, I believe, which we can resolve, which is very nice because this tells us 5 goes there and there. And actually what makes this even better is because all these digits are different, they tell that 5 in every row is in a different position, which is always true anyway, because 5 has to be in a different column in every row. So this again works out very well for that reason. Anyway, those digits are 5, 3, and 9. This can be 3 or 9, so that's 5, which points at itself, so that works out. 3 and 9 actually is resolvable, so we have that giving us our last 5s, I think. Yeah, so those are all our 5s. Next, those digits have to be 6 and 7. See, this is this is why I didn't use Spotify for like the rest of my videos, because they do random ads like that. Here we have 6, 7, and 4. This is going to be 6, 7, so that's 4. 6, 7 pair resolvable. That resolves this 6, 7 pair up here. These digits are 1, 8, 9. 1 can't be in those cells, so 1 goes there. This is an 8, 9 pair. Oh, that works out super well, because if 8 was here, 9 will be here, which makes sense. If 9 was here, then it points to itself. So that's sweet. That's 7. Those digits are... Oh, we know because of the 1 here, then this must therefore be 8. So the last digit will be a 2 there. Those digits have to be 2, no, not 2, 3, 4, and 7. 7 can't be in those cells, so 7 goes up there. That resolves this 4, 7 pair here. This is a 2, 3 pair which we can resolve. Wait, not 2, 3, 3, 4, sorry. It works the same way because of this 3. Those digits are 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 9. This can be 2, so it's 109. This is 1209, alright, fair enough. Actually, we know 9 is one of those cells, which means one of these cells must be pointing at it. And since it's the 4th column, one of these cells are a 4. That's another trick you can use, even though I don't think that's going to be very helpful. We're almost done, actually. That is... If I can scan right, that is 4. Those digits are 3 and 8, which we should be able to resolve. No. Oh, no, yes, we can with this 3 over here in this box. 8 there, 3 there, resolving nothing. This is 1 or 9, which again cannot resolve. Those digits are... Oh, actually this 1, 9 is resolvable on its own. Actually, I think that's really cool. If 9 was here, then 1 would be here, which fails. Because there would be no 1 here for this 9 to point at. So actually it does have to be 1, 9 like that. Quite interesting. These digits are 2 and 8, which we can't resolve. 2 and 9 implies that 1 is always one of those cells, because wherever 9 is, 1 will follow in one of these cells. So that forms a 1, 4 pair, which means this has to be 2 or... yeah, the remaining 3 cells here form a 2 and 9 triple. This can be 2 or 9, so that's... can't be 2 or 8, so that's 9. Resolving this pair. This works. Resolving this 2, 8 pair. This 2 puts a 9 there, which works. We could have done that from a long time ago. So, fair enough. Those digits are 3 and 6, which we can resolve easily. What do we have? 3 here actually resolves this 3, 9. It did since the very beginning. 9 resolves this 2, 9. This has to be 1 or 4. This is a 1, 4 pair. Ooh, and this appears to be a deadly pattern. We know that digit is the last one, which is a 2, but this appears to be a deadly pattern, although it's not, because these indicate where the 9 goes. Since 9 is there, this must be a 4. So there you go. Solve the puzzle in 5 minutes and 49 seconds. With a couple of cool tricks that we figured out along the way. So I enjoyed that. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.